Good morning, friends. Today is October 13, 2021, Wednesday. I am Prabhu KB, CEO, Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and helping clients devise their investment strategy through our technology solutions that we are offering. Disclaimer: the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Let's look at how the Indian markets performed today. And today in the afternoon, I'll be talking about the US markets as well as the Indian markets for the day. Yesterday, Nifty and Bank Nifty jumped up, and as I had indicated, it moved. In fact, Nifty touched 18 once again, and it closed slightly below that 17,991 odd levels. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has crossed 38,500. It closed around 38,521 odd levels. I have been indicating that Bank Nifty, once it takes out 38,377, which is nothing a magic number I have created. It is just previous month's high. That is going to hold as a support. It's a simple common technical knowledge that anybody in the world is having. So that only I am just telling here that that level is going to act as a strong support. Yesterday, there was nothing much to say about the banking stocks. HDFC Bank moved little sideways. Obviously, it is expected. And Kotak jumped up, but it is slightly closed below the 2020 closing. While all the other components of banks and financials, be it HDFC or any other bank or Bajaj Twins, closed above the exponential moving average, and it is poised for continued up move. While I expect tomorrow the move is going to be on Kotak and HDFC Bank, which might take the stock another 1 to 1.5% probably tomorrow itself, and probably Bank Nifty can even touch the Nifty 40 in the next 2 to 3 weeks itself. Over to Reliance. Reliance again continued its up move. So it is again in a long-term significant uptrend. On the weekly chart, as I indicated, that it might touch the upper band because it is well above the upper band. That is what had happened, and it is happening. But it is in a significant up move. On the IT stocks, all the IT stocks fell once again yesterday, with TCS also falling. In fact, I had indicated that the fall is going to come to an end, particularly for TCS. That is what I expect. Unless otherwise the results of Infosys or the commentary of management is going to be extremely negative, the beginning of end for TCS is going to come, meaning the fall for TCS is going to come to an end. Automobiles, we have indicated that it is going to be an automobile month, and truly it is an automobile month. Bajaj Auto and Hero Motors firing, and it is going to continue its up move along with Maruti and other stocks. Probably till January we are going to see an up move in automobile stocks. For a change, yesterday consumer goods, Lever and Nestle reversed from its short-term trend, meaning on the daily chart it reversed and it closed above the exponential moving average, which is a very good indicator. While the overall market is in an up move, Indian markets, I am not seeing any exuberance. As long as there is no exuberance, we need not worry about any big reversals. However, there will be corrections that can happen. The corrections can be price correction or even time correction. Probably that can come in January. One more thing I want to say here is that how this is going to be an automobile month, probably next month is going to be HDFC month. The HDFC month, the housing company, which is going to go up significantly next month, looking at the technical chart. In the afternoon, we will be covering about the US stocks, but as a glimpse, I want to say the US stocks are dangerously positioned, and if it closes around the same levels or 1 to 2% on Dow by the end of this month, which has another 13 trading sessions, you can expect a significant fall in Dow. When I say significant, 6 to 8% fall in Dow, Nasdaq and all the other indexes. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, please keep watching and continue your support to me. Thank you very much.